For Doggy. Hey, if you came here, you probably came from my eBay site, Mike Psych 283. You just want to see what it looks like and see the custom 360 that has been RGH, so you can play backup games on it. Now, there is no disk drive in it. You can see how small it is. It's less than 2 inches thick. And what that's going to give you is a 20 gig hard drive and a 320 gig hard drive. So this is how it works. First you have to turn it on using the media remote, and then once it's on, you're going to turn it on by using the monitor's power button, and then that is going to bring you into your screen where you can see all your games. So you see there's already content already loaded onto here. So now, and then you know how it works from there. You just pick a game and you play it. Now I don't know if this Xbox has been banned. I don't think it's it is not dual, so you're gonna have to use it just to play the games that are already on there. You're not gonna be able to bring it online. This is strictly for your own sort of, enjoyment, you and your friends. It has, so this is, so, okay, so back to the case. The case is 3D printed. I have plenty of pinholes. Now this is not perfect. You can see you can see the seams in there, and you can see some of the glue. I'll clean it up the best I can. I'm not going to be able to fix the seams without redoing it. So if that bothers you, please don't purchase this because it is not perfect. I think it looks, I think it looks good. Yeah, and it works great. So if there's something that you're interested in, please go ahead and purchase it. Inside of this, if you ever wanted to, if you got sick of this or you didn't want to use it anymore, you could take this out and put this into another case, and it would work just fine. So you're not stuck with it being inside of here. I try to do everything modular where you could unplug stuff very easily and then plug it up. The fan's replaceable. Everything is pretty much replaceable with a little bit of work, and if you know how to solder, hopefully, to a certain extent. I don't know. I think there's, how many games are on here? Well, it says 39 games are on there, but there's two or three emulators on there. I know there's a Genesis one and a Super Nintendo one, which work fantastic. So, and I think I have every game for that. So, easily, 700 games. This is what it looks like. So, oh,